Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by turning on Bluetooth on both devices. Do that now and set the phone to be discoverable. Make sure laptop Bluetooth adapter is enabled in settings. Once done, keep the phone unlocked because some phones require confirmation. Also, disable VPNs or other Bluetooth utilities that could block discovery. This first step reduces common failures and speeds pairing. You're not just turning things on, you're removing obstacles, so the devices can see one another immediately. Now open Bluetooth settings on the laptop and choose Add Device or Pair New Device. You should see the phone listed. Select it, then compare the numeric code shown. Confirm the same code on phone and laptop to authorize the link. Once paired, grant permissions for what you need: file transfer, audio, or contact sync. Make sure to pick the correct profile. For example, use file transfer instead of audio if you intend to move photos. This establishes a secure, trusted connection between them. Finish by testing the link, send a small file or play audio to confirm both directions work. If something fails, reboot both devices, then remove the pairing entry on each device and try again, because stale entries often block repairing. Make sure laptop Bluetooth drivers are updated and phone visibility is still enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: if discovery still fails, temporarily move devices within 1 meter and turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices to rule out interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.